Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the hottest legal debates in India right now, that is online gaming laws, with platforms like Dream11 Poker, Rummy facing bans, lawsuits and massive GST demands. What's really going on? Let's see. Is online gaming getting banned across India? And what does the constitution says about your right to play? Stick around. This is a legal battle you don't want to miss. Why this matters: online gaming in India isn't just a pastime, it's a massive industry. Millions log in daily to play fantasy sports, poker, and rummy. But recently, things have gotten intense. States like Tamil Nadu, Telangana have banned real money games. The central government is pushing for stricter rules, and platforms are fighting back in the court. Why? Because this isn't just about the games, it's about jobs, startups, free speech, and your fundamental rights. Now, let's talk about legal framework. What does the law says? So, what does Indian laws actually say about online gaming? First, wagering and betting on games outcome are banned. Games that cause harm or run misleading ads are strictly prohibited. Platforms must now follow strict KYC rules, age gates, and appoint compliance officers. If they don't, the government can block their apps and impose heavy fines. But here's the big debate: what counts as a game of skill versus a game of chance? That's where the legal war begins. Constitutional battle, free speech and business rights. Gaming companies are arguing two big constitutional points. First, under Article 19(1)(g), they have a fundamental right to do business. Banning skill-based gaming outright, they say, is excessive. Second, under Article 19(1)(a), the right to free speech. Games are a form of creative expression, communication, but the state can impose reasonable restrictions for public order, morality, or health. So, can a state completely ban a game like poker or fantasy sports? The court are now deciding. Now, public interest. What's the government side? The government isn't banning games without reason. They cite real concerns: gaming addiction, financial loss, youth protection, and money laundering. They argue that gaming is res extra commercium, outside the protection of the trade. The goal is to find a balance, allowing responsible gaming models while stopping unregulated gambling. But is a blanket ban the right solution? Or should regulation be smarter? Impact on the stakeholders. These laws are not just affecting companies, they impact you as well. Gamers face access blocks and strict KYC. Startups are drowning in the compliance cost and investor fear. Influencers must now follow strict ad guidelines and disclose partnership clearly. The entire ecosystem is reshaping. So, whether you are a player, a creator, or an entrepreneur, this legal fight affects your digital life. What next? So, what's next? All eyes are on the Supreme Court for a final verdict on skill versus chance. We may see self regulatory bodies certifying games, clearer central state harmonization, and platforms adopting safer designs. The industry is waiting for balanced framework, one that protects users but doesn't kill innovation. The game is changing and we are all part of it. To summarize, regulation is tightening, courts are drawing the line. A balanced future is possible if we focus on proportionality and compliance, whether you are for or against the regulation, one thing is clear: the era of unchecked games growth is over. Stay informed, stay compliant, and keep an eye on the Supreme Court. The final verdict could change everything. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for you don't miss our next legal breakdown. Drop a comment below. Do you think skill-based gaming should be regulated by states or centrally? Share this video with someone who needs to know about India's online gaming battle. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.